What else?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Dad, this is what we had on Florida.
Oh, you're right. It is what we had.
You want to eat it?
Yeah, I do.
You gotta open it up.
And what does Will have?
Show us how you do it, Will.
Winnie the
Nom 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 nom.
Tigger.
William.
Hey, Jack, what else is in there?
Here you go,
Oh, William, you said thank you. Not for you, Gus. Oh, whoops. Those were heavy.
Winnie the Pooh.
Whoa.
Oh, look at that,
And
Jack.